This will be the exterior walk around for the 2003 Ferrari 360 Spider. Beautiful shade of Giallo Modena, fly yellow it's sometimes called, beautiful shade of yellow. I've owned this car for 2.5 years. I've gone through and fully sorted everything works great. The top works great, mechanically excellent. A couple of cosmetic things here and there, a couple of small paint chips, but nothing major. You'll notice this car has the Ferrari BBS 3-piece wheels. But interestingly, if you'll note on the window sticker, which I have a copy of, these weren't on the window sticker as an option. So don't know if they were changed at the dealership or prior owner, but they are genuine Ferrari BBS wheels. Have that documented in the photos. I've done a little bit of paint work with the car just to fix some scratches. When I first got the car, there was a pretty deep scratch in the bottom of this bumper. I had the selling dealer repair that. There is still a little bit of there's a clear coat spot right there that you can see. Other than that, bumper's really nice. I also had this mirror redone. Had a pretty deep scratch right here, which you can see is now as new. I had the side skirts redone as well. They had some pretty heavy rock chips back here. That's pretty common. This has no paint protection film on it. Something the new owner can certainly do. I think with a paint correction and polish, it would take PPF quite well. But those have been redone. And then I also had the rear bumper redone. Again, there was a heavy scratch back here and had that taken out. This car is a factory gated manual, documented as a factory gated manual. We'll do a separate interior overview. Replaced the windscreens back here. They were pretty deteriorated. Again, common problem. Those are new. Have the original ones as well. If you ever wanted to refurbish the original ones, they do come with the car. Up front, a couple of things that I've done up here. One is I replaced the alarm siren. That's a common failure on these cars. The battery runs out after so many years. And two things happen with that. One is it won't chirp when you lock or unlock the car or set the alarm. And then also the LED on the dash will stay on if that horn isn't working right. So there's a small LED here, which you can see flashing. That will stay solid all the time if that's not working. So that's been replaced. Also swapped out for a European horn. Give that a listen. You can obviously switch that back to the factory horn, also included with the car. These straps were redone. I redid these straps. It's a company called Two Redbirds that matches the original Ferrari leather. Again, common area where these fray and split. When I got the car, it did not have the factory toolkit. I rectified that. Actually fortunate that I found, and I didn't even realize it at the time, but I found the 360 Spider toolkit. The difference being that this kit has the tool to manually release the top, which can be important. Although the top on this car is working perfectly right now. And then obviously put the strap on for that as well. The books, the inflator, the factory charger, and again, the toolkit obviously all come with the cars. I also have an original brochure for the Spider, which is kind of fun. Factory shields, you can see where they're embossed there. Tires are Michelin PS5s. Put them on in January of 23. The fronts have a 2021 date code. The rears have a 2022. It's just, I guess, what was in stock when I bought them. But plenty of life left on the tires, plenty of tread, only about 2,000 miles on the tires. Come back here to where all the fun is. I had the intake plenums redone. If you look at the prior auction listing for this car, you'll see that they were pretty scratched. Those have now been refinished, and as you can see, look very pretty, either this way or through the glass. This car also has a 2B catback exhaust. Sounds awesome, but it's still California smog compliant. In fact, just had the car smogged, so it's all ready to go from that standpoint. And that's the exterior overview of the 360 Spyder.